What's up guys, my name's Ultra, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Discord server look more professional in 3 easy steps. Also, if you'd hit that sub button, I'd really appreciate that. Now that you're in your server, go to server settings, scroll down until you see enable community. I already did that, so mine looks different, but once yours looks like this, you're going to want to give it a description. Also, you can add 5 channels that you want people to engage with when they join your server. Next, put a rules or guidelines channel and a community updates channel. This is for your moderators and your admins. And then set your language. I'll show you some of my rule settings and rules. So I just have it at low for right now, but you can obviously change this. Do whatever you see fit. I'll also show you some of my rules. Make your own rules, whatever's best for your server. You can just add a rule right there. Also, make your text channels and voice channels appealing. You want to make them look different than other servers. You can go here, and here's how to add emojis. You just do Windows key period and you can add all these emojis. Also, you can add this stuff or these characters. I also like to add a description of each text channel, emojis. Also, I add events. The more you're engaged with the community, the more they'll be engaged. So run events and giveaways. And I like to do reaction roles. This gives them a role automatically that they choose when they join the server. And I add music bots. This just gives them a chance to chill in a VC with each other and listen to some music. And also, this Discord bot, you can bump your server on other public servers. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that sub button, and I'll see you in the next video.